How do you snore? Oh. I gotta call Tina again. When I snore, am I a me or a honk shoe? Or a
Oh, definitely not the last one.
Yeah.
You're like right between a honk shoe and a me.
Which one would you prefer I am?
Give me your best honk shoe and me like
Okay.
impressions.
Shoo. Shoo.
Oh, that's it. That one. That's you.
You didn't let me do me.
I didn't need to hear me.
You didn't let me do me.
Okay. Do me.
Okay.
But I'm pretty set on
Me.
No.
I'm honk shoe.
You're honk shoe for sure.